How to log into Hulu. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into Hulu. So here's a thing. What you need is, first thing first, install the app onto your device. You could also use the web version of it. If you're using the app, you just want to go ahead and open up your respective app store and launch Hulu or install Hulu. Once you're done installing Hulu from your device, you click onto the login button at the bottom of the page. There you go. You have to go ahead and enter in your email address associated with your Hulu account. And moving on, you just want to go ahead and type in the password that's associated with your Hulu itself. Once you're done entering the following information, and if the information seems to be valid enough, you'll have logged into your Hulu account successfully. And for some reason, if you're not able to log in, you click on to forgot my password, and you could go ahead and reset it, or maybe try connecting to a better internet connection that might be able to help. So this way you should be able to log into your Hulu account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.